Salamat sa Biyernes na ito para makita ang pagmamahal ng Diyos sa ating debosyon sa kamahal-mahalang puso ni Jesus. At ganyan din no, yung ating santo ngayon na si Saint Vincent de Paul. We will talk briefly about him later. But again, I would like you to join me in reflecting on the first reading, no? And then briefly on the gospel also. Timing. There is a time and season for everything. Thank God for the Lord of time. Nandito pa tayo dahil sa oras na binigay sa atin ng Diyos. Magtiwala tayo. Lahat ay sa Kanya. No? Yung oras na yan na binigay sa atin. And perfect timing, if we will see it according to the hand of God. Pero kung makikita natin, naku, wrong timing. May dahilan. Bakit kailangan ipanganak at kailangan mamatay? No? So everything really is in God's hands. Sana makita natin at wag nating kontrahin. No? With the help and the grace of God, we see the Lord of time. He's in charge. He's in complete control actually. Akala natin, no? We've been talking about it for the last few days. We think that I am in control. Not at all. Because time will come, di ba? Time's up. Pag sinabi ng time's up, kahit na sino ka man, anong control ang pinag-uusapan natin? Because everything is in God's control. Kahit na sino ka man, kahit ano ka man, everything is in God's hand. Everything and everything. There is nothing we can boast about. We are just but ashes, no? We are just but soil, no? At babalik ulit tayo dyan. Wala tayo ipwede ipagmalaki. So this is how He is reminding us of the Lord of time. He is in charge of everything. May we surrender everything to Him. Because no matter how many sufferings we have, how many pains we have, the gospel naman reminds us, no, kahit na gaano kahirap yung dinadaanan natin, lilipas rin yan, and 3 days later, we will rise. That is the good news. That is why we are here. We are all living proofs. Namatay na tayo, maraming beses na tayo namatay sa ating kasalanan, sa ating kapalpakan, pero nakabangon tayo. We have all survived all this. We have died many, many times. We have two kinds of sufferings in a certain sense, no? Just to exaggerate it. Two kinds of pains. Yung kagagawang ko, minsan meron tayong, ako na may gawa di ba? Kain ng bawal, bisyo ako ng bisyo, alam ko naman mali, di ba? I suffer. But other than that, all the sufferings are great, great teachers. They will help us to trust in God, no? Kumapit tayo sa Kanya. Because this is one way we learn from the suffering, because it is God's will for us, not my will. But do not worry, because this dying, this suffering, this pain, alam naman natin, will raise us up in time, in all God's time. And we thank God for Vincent de Paul, who has mastered this. No? He has lived his life, especially for the poor, especially in serving the poor, and in forming two congregations, the Congregation of Missions, the CM Fathers, and yung mga madre, the Daughters of Charity, no? Because of his great charity. And we thank God for this wonderful saint. No? I have a personal experience with Saint Vincent de Paul. Briefly, I wish we had more time. No? One time, when I got to visit his birthplace, nung by some stroke of luck, no, in France, traffic, ako punong-puno yung yung lugar, no, kung saan siya, yung kanyang simbahan, kung saan nakalagay yung katawan niya na incorrupt, no. Biglang nag-drive ako, pagpasok ko, nung dumating ako, biglang bumukas yung gate. Ako sabi ko, ba? Himala? Bumukas yung gate. Kasi nakasuot pare ako, di ba? Bumukas yung gate, di ba? Nagtatanong ako, sabi ko, pwede bang pumarada dito? Wala namang pwede magpagtanungan. So, dumiretso lang ako, di ba? And then, for some miracle, I don't understand why, no? So I went down and then I was looking around hanggang wala ako makitang tao, and then I saw the incorruptible body of Vincent de Paul, no? Sabi ko, wow, what a blessing, what a gift, no? And then when I went out, I saw somebody and I explained what happened, di ba? Sabi niya, oh sige, then nakalabas naman ako. Sabi ko, wow, galing naman ni Vincent de Paul, no? We turn to him. He is truly a wonderful example, a truly wonderful example who offered his life especially for the poor, in his unbelievable acts of charity. We thank Vincent de Paul. We thank this Friday as we honor the most Sacred Heart of Jesus.